Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay. Good. Let me see. Quintus, Ewan, Ethan, Weijie. Okay. Let's start. Today we try this thing. Okay. Piston. So now let's have a video. This one is a very important part in our car. Okay. So yeah, except okay, yeah, just like this, right? So we need this thing to drive the wheels. Okay, we need this thing to drive the wheels, so it can go very fast like this, right? Okay. Now today we try to build one. Okay. And also we also have Lego piston parts like this. Yeah, they are official Lego parts, right? They are all Lego pieces. Okay. Yeah, it can also run very fast like this. Okay. But inside you see we have these yellow things, right? So we can learn something about the structure inside. Okay, it's called slider crank linkage. So we use slider crank linkage to convert rotary motion into back and forth linear motion. Okay, now another video. Like this. So the yellow thing is this top, right? Okay, let me show you. Oh, where is my pen? Okay. So let's see the video first. Yeah, so we try to build this structure today. Okay, this is called slider crank linkage. Okay. So the reason why we need this is okay. We have our power here, right? Motor, but this is a rotary motion, so we turn something, right? But usually we need back and forth forward. We need a linear motion. We need a straight line. So we can use this structure to convert rotary motion into linear motion. Okay. For example, we turn this wheel and the black axle will go okay forward and backwards, right? And here we have two connection points. We need to use smooth pins or axles. Okay, we need to use smooth pins or axles. So, for example, like this. Okay, so slider, which one is slider? Slider is this one. Okay, and the crank, we already use crank, right? So we turn this wheel, and this slider will go, okay, like this, right and left, right? A straight line. Okay, so now, yeah, today we try to build this. Okay. Yeah, this is the piston, right? Okay, the piston. Okay, two slider crank linkage actually here. Okay, we have two slider crank linkage. So you ready? You ready? You ready? Then we can start now. Okay. Yeah, one beam, one axle, one beam, three pins, right? Okay. Okay. Done. Okay. Next one. Green bean. Yeah, easy. Yeah, okay, good. Now four pins, okay, 4 pins. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pinholes, and the last one is a cross hole, okay? So we use the 4 pinholes. One, two, three, 4. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 long pins. Okay. Good. Now two connectors, 2 pins. So you already built something. So now you know these pieces, right? Yeah. Good. Good. Next one. Okay. So we connect everything. Okay. This is the L, right? This is the L and 2 connectors. Okay, 2 connectors. So the black L is here. Okay, the black L is here. Yes, we use yes, here the two blue pins, right? Okay, we connect all 3 parts together. You good? Good. Next one. So let me see. We can put this bush here, and then axle, and then this green beam. Okay, I think yeah, maybe better. Okay. Is that correct, Ethan? Where is this yellow axle? Which hole? Which pinhole? Okay, pay attention to this pinhole. Oh, even you, the same. is here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One, two, three, four. Okay, the fourth one. Okay. Yeah, good. Now it's good. Because later we'll put the two black gears on this. Okay, these two sides. Okay. Yeah. Next one. This is what? 3 pin and 3. This gray is also 3. Okay. Yeah, good. Okay, good. Next one. Only 2. Half beam. Okay, so this is 3 long, so 0.5, and this is half, okay, 0.5, and this side 2, okay? Yes, good, okay. The first hole is a cross hole, right? First one and the last one, okay. Now, this is the axle, okay, on this half beam, okay. So we connect this pin. This is the middle one, okay. This pinhole is the middle one. And we use where? We use this pin, right? We use this pin. Oh, pay attention. This one, okay. This white thing, actually, okay. This white thing is on the same side of the 2 blue pins. Okay, at the bottom you have 2 blue pins, right? You have 2 blue pins, so they're on the same side. Okay, they're on the same side. Okay, look at here, like this, like this. Can you see my video? Yeah. Okay. So the white L, the small white L is on the same side of the 2 blue pins. Okay, 2 blue pins at the bottom, not the green beam. Okay. Okay, let me check. Okay, later maybe we'll see it. Okay. No, Ivan, pay attention. This white one and this long beam, they are on the one straight line. We use this half beam to connect these two full beam. Like this, like this. Here we have only one connection point, this one. Okay, we have only one connection point, this blue pin. Okay, Ethan, good? We have only one connection point here for now, okay? and later we'll have the second one. So the green, the red beam is here. The red beam is here, right? And the blue pin, right? Okay, now two more steps. Now you know how to do it, right? Two half beam on both sides. Okay. So one more axial and one more half beam. Okay, one more axial, one more half beam. So we use these two half beams to connect this white one and the long red beam. Okay. Now it's clear, right? Ready? Okay, good. Quintus, go. Yeah, Ethan. Ivan, how about you? Okay, let me see. Okay, if you haven't finished the last step, we can also see this picture, right? Okay, and the two connector, but pay attention, don't put it to the end, okay? The connector is here, just here, don't put it to the end, okay? You'll know why later, okay? Don't put it too much, just half. Two connectors, okay? We don't need to put this to the end, okay? It's wrong. Okay, good. Next one. Four bushes, okay? These are these axles, okay, to hold these axles. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. Two different sides. Here we use the cross hole and the cross hole here, okay? Good. Yeah, good. Ivan, you done? Good? Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3. Easy step. Boom, boom. Yeah, good. This is easy. Okay. Next one, hard. So first one, pay attention to which green we need to use. Okay, just follow these pictures. First one, okay, we connect the white one and the green one, and then put it. Let me see. Okay, so here we have a half beam. Okay, half axle. I can show you. Here we have half axle inside, right? This is the axle, and at this end, we also have an axle, right? We also have an axle. So we use these two axles. Okay, and we connect. Okay, the other side. So actually here, the two axles are here. Okay, like this, 3 and 3. Okay, and we use this axle, right? We use this axle. Here we have an axle without bushes, right? Interesting. Here. Okay. Blue pin, right? Okay, good, like this. Yeah, good. Okay. Next one. Oh, easy step. 2 bushes here and here. Okay, good. Okay, 2 black here, the largest one. Okay, pay attention. Here we have 2 cross hole and 2 pinholes. Okay, when we put these 2 on this axle, then we need to put these 2 pinhole. Okay, the same position. Okay, pay attention to this. Okay, you're done. Now we have a car. So pinhole, cross hole. Okay, same position. Yes. Next one, several different types. Okay. Pay attention here. We use this is 3. We put the 3 here, and we have a top, right? The top is here. Okay. Inside, this is the brown 3. The brown 3 is here. Okay. This is 7. This gray one is 7. So we have a top. Pay attention to this top. Okay, don't put the top at this side, right? Because we have a top, so the other side we need this bush to hold this end, right? Okay. This is the second pinhole. Here, this axle, okay, this axle, the second pinhole, okay. Now the first one, okay. So you put the gray, no, the brown short axle first, and then the black connector and the red bush. Like this. Here. Okay. Put the top at the beam side, okay, not the bush side, okay, like this. So the brown axle first, and then the black connector, and then the blue green bush, like this, right? Ivan, you done? Okay, good. Yeah, good. Okay. Everybody good. Now, here, we use this white pin, okay, connect to a cross hole, and we need to put this gray axle through 1 and 2, okay, through 1 and 2. So any cross hole you want, okay, anyone you want. This side, okay, this side is a little hard. You can take the gray axle off and just put it through the two pinholes and then connect to the black connector. Okay, you can take this gray axle off first. Actually, this is a slider crank linkage. This is a slider crank linkage. If I use them, yeah, slider crank linkage. Okay. Now, here, okay, slider, where is the slider? Slider is this one, this axle is slider, right? Crank, where is the crank? Crank is this short, okay, distance from the center to the cross hole. This is the crank. So we turn this black gear. This gray axle can go, okay, straight line, okay, in a straight line, okay. This is slider crank linkage, like this. You see? Everybody done? So if you can't put the gray axle through these two pinholes, you take it out and you go through the pinholes first, and then you connect to the connector. Okay, next one. Okay, the other side, we have two sides, right? The other side. The brown axle is here. Okay, top is here. Okay, the brown one. Okay. but we don't have the light yellow pin. Okay, so don't put the light yellow pin here. Just like this. Yeah, good. Okay, now you know where to put this, right? We use a 4 axle. 4 axle. Okay, now look at here. On this black one, we have 2 cross hole. We have 2 cross hole. Okay, now pay attention to this gray beam. We use 2 different cross hole. Okay, on these 2 sides, 2 different cross hole. One this way, one this way, right? So if you put 2, okay, the same cross hole, they will both up or both down. Okay, but it doesn't matter actually. If you want 2 up, 2 down, or the same direction, it doesn't matter. But different direction, the different one may be better. Okay, so so this black one is 4. Okay, 1 in this black gear, and here 1, and outside 2. Okay, outside 2. Now we have 2 slider crank linkage. We have 2 slider crank linkage. So if you later we'll drive the this black gear. Okay, later we'll drive this black gear. So if you put these 2 on different pinholes, so these 2 axles can go okay up and down different direction, right? One up, one down, one up, one down. Okay, like this. So we have 2. They are both slider crank linkage, right? Okay, 2 slider crank linkage. So this black gear is the crank, okay, and these 2 long axles are sliders, okay. 这样，我读又忘。
Can you go to the next one?
No. Everybody done?
Chad.
Okay, you can program your robot, okay?
What robot?
EV3.
How do I program it?
You finish the competition program. Bye-bye.
How do I program over here?
I don't know. Okay, next one. Quintus, good. Good, okay. Okay, 1 up, 1 down, right? Good, now, next one. Now here, this crank, right? Okay, now we use this. So first one, put the bush first, and then this, right? Pay attention here. This axle and the center of the black gear, they're on the one straight line. Okay, one straight line. This axle, and the center of this black gear. One straight line. Okay. Because later we'll drive this axle. This axle must go through the center of these two big gears. Okay. So you put the gray axle first. You put the gray axle and the red bush first, and then put the crank on the big on the big gear. So just pay attention to the direction. Okay. Okay, I'll show you. Like this. Like this. So this gray axle is okay. This position is a fixed position. Okay, this position is fixed one, and later we have our motor here, and we use this crank, this connector to drive the black gear. Okay, like this. So if this gray axle turns, okay, moves, okay, wrong, okay, it's wrong. So you can try whether you can do this. Yeah, Ethan, show me this part. Show me this part. Yes, you turn this one. You turn this one. So do you need to turn this like? Okay. Later we'll put this one in one beam like this. So now you check. Now you check here. This gray axle and this yellow axle, they must be on one straight line. Okay. This yellow one, the yellow one, and the gray one. Here, we have a yellow axle, right? In the middle. This axle and this gray one, they are on one line, okay? One straight line, okay? So you adjust this crank's direction, okay? These two, this yellow one and this gray one, okay? So when we turn this, we only turn this gray. We don't move this gray axle. You see, we don't move. We only turn it, right? We don't need to move the gray axle like this. Okay. If your axle moves like this, it's wrong. Okay. We only turn it. We don't move it. Okay. We only turn it like this, right? Ivan, you good? Quintas, good?
I put this on the wrong side.
Wrong side?
Yeah.
Okay, I draw this. Here we have the yellow one, so just pay attention to this step, okay? The yellow one.
Just put it on the wrong side.
Okay. The yellow one and this gray one.
Is it okay that I put it on the wrong side?
Wrong side, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. We just need the gray axle. Okay, any side. You mean you put the gray on what? The light gray on the light gray side, not the red axle side.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
A bit of gray on the red side, red on the gray side.
Okay. Now we do next. So you see, I only turn this one, right? I don't move. I don't need to rotate like this, right? Okay. Here, this yellow axle, and this gray axle, same the in one line. Okay. Now next. Oh, the same thing. You see, this is clear, right? This is clear. So on this straight line, okay, two axles, the yellow one and this gray one on one straight line, okay? Next, now we build the base, okay? This part is easier. We build the base. Actually, the slider crank linkage is already done, okay? Now we build the base. Yeah. Finally, something easy to build.
Switch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pins. The last one is a blue one, right? Okay. Okay, the second wheel. Easy. Yes, good. This part is easier. Okay. Yeah, good. Now, these two and yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay. Yeah. Actually, this is just a. Uh-oh. No, even. Okay, we put the two wheels on the same side. The same side. Okay. Yeah, now it's good. Okay, next one. 4 pins again. This one, okay, this is a cross outside, maybe like this. Okay. The third wheel. E? Yeah, the third wheel. Okay. Okay, the black one, the black aisle here, and the other two pins on this connector. Beam. Now we have three wheels. Okay, three wheels now. Actually, for this base, you can build any kind of base you want. Okay, base part is easy. Here we have two blue pins. Remember at the bottom, we put the top. Okay, to here we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, we use the two blue pins, right? Two blue pins here. Now we put the top on the bottom, right? Let me see. Am I correct? Okay, pay attention. Maybe we need to adjust. We need to adjust one thing: the direction of these two blue pins. Okay, the direction of these two blue pins. So the two blue pins and let me see. It doesn't matter. So here, this gray axle and the white beam, they're on the same side. They're on the same side. And the bottom here, the black beam. Here, the black beam. Okay, here the black beam. The black beam is between the gray one and the white one. Okay, so maybe we need to change the two blue pins. Okay, we need to change the two blue pins. This, you check this direction, like this. So this axle and the white beam, they're on the same side. Okay, they're on the same side. Okay, so you can change these two blue pins.
Do we need to put the white pin during the switch it?
Yes. So you do this. You change these two blue pins from back to the front side.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you change these two blue pins to the other side, and then, okay, you can change the direction. So this axle and this white beam, okay, the same side. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not done.
Yeah. Ivan, you done? Okay, this one. 4 black pins. Yeah, this is easy. Just something to hold the last wheel. Okay. Yeah. Okay. One connector, one blue pin, and one short beam. Yeah, good. Now put everything together. One blue pin first. Okay, one blue pin first. And we use this short beam, right? This is the short beam. And then the green beam. 1, 2, right? Yeah, good. Yeah, okay. Now the gray one, okay, two black pins are here, 1 and 2, okay, the bottom 2, and this one, this axle, okay, must be okay through the second pinhole, and here, pay attention here at the bottom, okay, at the back side, okay, the back side, we have a blue pin, right? We have a blue pin. The blue pin, we connect these things. Okay, the blue pin is here, right? The blue pin. So we the connection points is this one, right? This one, the back one. Okay, it's this one. And then later we put the motor. Okay, here to this axle. Just like this.
I don't have the blue pin.
Blue pin. This one.
What? That one? What?
Okay. If you finish this, it's done. Okay, it's done. You can turn this axle, and you can also put the motor on. Okay.
Yeah. So as this way. Okay, then put one connect to the. I don't know how to connect.
What? How do I connect this?
You connect to the green beam first. The green beam first. We have 2 black pins on the green beam, right? Green. The last wheel. And here, this is an L, right? 1, 2, 3, the last pinhole connect to the blue pin. Now look at here, like this. The blue pin is here, right? This is the blue pin on the white beam, right? Here. Ethan, good. You're done, you can try the motor. Two black pin, and then the motor, okay. Here, Ethan, look at here. Two pinholes, right? Put the two black pins in these two holes, and then the motor, okay. This is just.
I can't connect this. What connected?
Now look at here. I know maybe you put the black part on the wrong side of this beam. You check. Show me the bottom. No. Oh. Yeah, you see the difference. Can you find the difference? Here. The black one and the white one, they're on the same side of this gray beam. But you different side. Right?
Oh.
Yes, I asked you to change the two black pins, and then okay, the white one and the black one, they're on the same side of the gray beam. Okay. Now, the motor, yeah, now, the piston is done. Okay, the piston is done. We have two slider crank linkage. Okay, two slider crank linkage. Now we can motorize. The motor is easy to connect. Okay, just two black pins. Just two black pins. Two black pins and connect the motor, okay, to the gray beam. Okay, pay attention to this part. So when you put the motor on, remember to hold this side. There is a gray axle inside. Okay, to hold this side. Remember to hold this side. And now you can connect to your battery box. Okay. Just like this. Ivan, what's your question? Now look at the bottom. The black one, okay, and the white one, they're on the same side of the gray one, okay. So you need to move the black one to the other side. If they are on two different sides, okay, they are too far to connect. Ethan, you done?
I did it wrong. I can't do it. The same links. How do I do this?
Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, now listen to me. So if the base is wrong, it doesn't matter. We build a base for the motor. Okay, we build a base for the motor, but the most important thing is the two black gears and the two slider crank linkage. Okay, if you finish that part, okay, it's good enough. Okay, and we only build the base and the frame for the motor. Okay, so you can check how to build later. Okay, but we just learn how to build the slider crank linkage here. Okay, so this part. Okay, you see. So don't worry about this. If you want, you can hold the motor, right? Okay. That's it.